Hello everybody, Richard C. Wilson, Family Office Club. I'm coming to you today from Havasupai Falls. It's one of the top 3 coolest things in the state of Arizona. Probably one of the top 20 coolest things I've seen in my life. I wanted to record this video because there's been a lot of cool experiences happening because of running the Family Office Club, but also a lot of things I'm learning every month still after running this club for 16 years. We are a private investor club that studies the best practices of ultra-wealthy families, how to close deals, how to work with investors, how to structure deals to be more tax efficient, how to structure them to align all parties in the deal more efficiently. And by having 1,000+ speakers on stage at over 190 live events now, since I started the business in 2007, we have learned a ton. We toured 3 million square feet of real estate last week on a private jet with one of our club members that went from $400 million to $3 billion in AUM. I'm going with one of my dentist investors to Everest Base Camp in April. And I hope that you realize as an investor or somebody raising capital that the value of your knowledge, the specialized knowledge of investing, can get you paid as much as a brain surgeon, because that specialized knowledge is worth so much, whether you're raising capital or running a family office or a wealth advisory firm. So I hope that you see being part of our Family Office Club as a perpetual learning machine as I do. I script every discussion panel question at every one of our live events, and I hope to see you at one of our workshops or live events soon. If you want to get more involved with our investor club, please go to familyoffices.com. Thank you.